तो यार एक बड़ा ही फिलोसॉफिकल सा सवाल आ गया था एंड फिर सोचा मैंने थोड़ा सा डीपर तो समझ में आया कि दिस इज नॉट एज फिलोसॉफिकल एज इट साउंड्स इन इट्स टैगिंग और इन इट्स हेडलाइनिंग. Is empathy a core startup skill? In the world that we live in right now, with the founders that we build right now, the solutions that we need as a society, as an ecosystem, as the globe, as a planet, empathy is no more a nice to have. It is a hard skill disguised as a soft tone. It's a hard acquired skill disguised as a soft one. So इस लाइन को उतना ही समझना ज़रूरी है जितना P&L समझना ज़रूरी है, जितना इन्वेस्टर का मेट्रिक समझना ज़रूरी है, जितना ROI समझना ज़रूरी है, जितना अपने वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन को सही से इंटेल करना ज़रूरी है. पॉसिबली अपनी टीम बनाने से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट इस सवाल के लेयर्स को समझना है. When you have this skill, it becomes a superpower. When you have empathy as a startup, it becomes a superpower because it decodes silent customer pain. It unlocks hidden team motivations. It cuts through noise faster than any algorithm can ever cut through. So you have to understand something that's decoding for you, something that's unlocking for you, something that's cutting through complex challenges is a serious power to harness. Empathy eventually has an equation. In our universe, it has an equation. And because we believe in what data can give us in the long run, empathy is essentially equal to a multiple of fast execution, fewer surprises. If you are a empathetic core business, your surprise rate would be very low, very few and far in between. And your execution rate would be on turbocharge. And their multiple will only give you better P&Ls. So if there was a bottom line advantage, you're essentially chasing the unlocking credit of that. It's called empathy.